Holy sugar god no! Cat, there's something on the top on the logo. What did you mean? Mega Cat, why you guys magic hats? It's because today is March 4th. Wow, I didn't notice that this is a March 4th. And also, happy March 4th, everybody. Anyways, let's go on to the next take, which is take 23. Ugh, we knew the creator and then this logo. Bloopers, remove it. Cat, did someone paint to be purple and have an eye and a background black and square and lowercase? No, I'm Delta Entertainment V. Do you know what happened to the letter B? They're having a London right now. Sorry, I don't have a footage. Hurry up! I didn't want to do that. Okay. Why are you guys close to me? You know what? Forget this blooper. Take 25. Okay, what is this? Cat? B? Why you have a balloon? Well, I just got this balloon from my fun fair.
Wait, you got that balloon from the fun fair?
Yes, it's actually true. In the fun fair, I asked my mom to get a balloon that's the same color as me, and she did. With just one pink balloon, please. When the balloon manager did, and I just grab a pink balloon and I walk all around the fun fair and I take it home and I bring it here to the studio.
Wow, it seems like you had a very good time there, S.
B? Okay. I just got like no words to say about that. Anyways, take 26. What is wrong has coming to? Cat, why does it say cupcake?
Well, B, A, and E are here because
W
I, D,
and Y.
S is with Yevgeny, Pibby, and rest of survivors fighting against the darkness in her homeworld right now. Sorry, we cannot show you the footage due to our glitchy reasons. Well, that's interesting. I heard that Star Studios Productions Inc. just saved the Pippi series and make their own series called Run and Pippi Armageddon. Also, I wonder if Yevgeny's channel will able to continue the Pippi content again. And let's just hope that Yevgeny's channel will quit being a local blooper tuber and focus to other stuff, that he will gain more views and subscribers faster and have their own crew.
Anyways, let's wait for W and Y to come back from his battle, and then we'll do take 27. Cuddy Cat, there's an onion has been added to the logo. Did I smell onions? Yes, it smells onions. Oh no, I think I'm about to puke. Us too. Take 28, everybody. Okay, no mess up so far. I guess that means it. Okay, never mind, Cat. What just happened? Maybe it's the power outage. It's okay, S. Let's just wait until the power will go back on, and then we'll do take 29. Coffee makes. Cat, now who's speaking out? Whoosh, because I am Cupcake Bay. and I'll be the footage viewer. We got a footage viewer and do take 30. Cut, why does it say the end part 3? It's because today is the end of the third part. Wow, I didn't know this. Also, why? I didn't notice that this is the end of the third part. Well, anyways, take 31.